How to enable COD in Shopify, aka cash on delivery. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on payments, and this will open up the payments section of your Shopify store, from which you want to scroll down to the manual payment methods section, and from there click on add manual payment method drop down, which will give you a lot of choices that you can choose from, but you want to click on cash on delivery COD at the bottom, and a pop-up window will appear that tells you to set up your cash on delivery. It will give you the additional details field, and this field will be displayed to the customers when they choose in the payment method. It will tell them what they are dealing with. And the second field is the payment instructions field, from which the customers will see it after they place an order with this payment method. It will guide them on how to pay this stuff. And once you're done, once you add the additional info and the payment instructions, click on the activate cash on delivery at the bottom right of the screen, and the system will be added to your payments. And this is a very good payment method from which customers don't need to use any credit cards infos or stuff like that. They just add the information, and they will pay once they pick up their order from you. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add cash on delivery payment system in Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.